What's up, everyone here, and today I'm gonna show you how in some places the asphalt is changed in Russia. As you can see behind me, there's a big machine that changed the asphalt here. But the most funny part is that not all cars are parked in the different places. Yes, there is one car that is standing, and so the guys are just putting the new asphalt just around it, and it's pretty awesome. So yes, probably that's because that's a very important car and you cannot move it anyway. Anyway, see you next time.